Chmelaeon.com here, doing a review for the Easy Throw 2. This is a clay target thrower, high, low, curved, or skipping without the hassle of a machine. That's what this thing does. Amazon link below to buy this bad boy. Throws them pretty far. It's got a 5-year guarantee. Made in the USA, always like that. Now don't mind this one, because we've actually used this before, so I've taken it out of the package, but it works really well. Fits standard 4.5-inch clay targets. Also, check out Chmelaeon.com. We have a ton of outdoor, survival, outdoor stuff, airsoft, paintball, all that good stuff. And then some accessories like this. But we'll have the Amazon link below for this bad boy. If you want to read all this, you guys can. I'll try and put it in view. I'm going to skim over it. You can pause it as you like. Okay. Pretty cool stuff. Alright, that's basically it. Easy Throw 2, highly recommend it. Chmelaeon.com, out. Be sure to check out the Amazon link below to buy these, or just shop on Amazon with the link and support the channel.